Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
Question here. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is 10 less than thrice the denominator. If each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 5, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. Find the fraction. Now let us assume numerator equal to x and denominator equal to y. It is given that sum of numerator and denominator is 10 less than thrice the denominator. So x plus y is 10 less than. So if you add 10 to it, it's equal to thrice the denominator. So from here we get an equation. Let's take y over to this side, so 2y, and x over to this side, so minus x. So 2y minus x equal to 10. Let's name it equation 1. Now in second condition it is given if each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 5, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So x minus 5 divided by y minus 5 gives us 1 by 3. So let's cross multiply and see what equation we get. We get 3x minus 15 equal to y minus 5. So if we rearrange this, we get, let's see, we take this over to this side, y over to this side, and 15 over to this side. So 3x minus y equal to minus 5 plus 15. So 3x minus y equal to minus 5 plus 15 is plus 10. So let's name it equation 2. Okay. Now to solve these two together, let's multiply equation 2 with 2 so that we will be able to eliminate y. So multiplying 2 by 2, we get 3x into 2 is 6x minus 2y equal to 20. Let's name it equation 3. Now add 1 and 3, we get, let's see, 2y minus x plus 6x minus 2y equal to 10 plus 20. So 2y get cancelled out because they have different signs. Then 6x minus x is 5x equal to 10 plus 20 is 30. So from here we get x equal to 6. Now since x is equal to 6, if we put the value in equation 1, we get, putting x equal to 6 in 1, we get 2y minus 6 equal to 10. Therefore 2y equal to 16. 6 goes over to other side. And we have, this gives us y equal to 8. Therefore required fraction is equal to x by y, which is equal to 6 by 8. So this is the answer.